We're gonna review this awesome Batman fidget spinner. Batman. See, nice detail. I really like the yellow. I apologize for the noise in the background. Just my mom's in the bathroom. So right now we have this awesome fidget spinner. It's Polly. You may know him from his YouTube channel, Red Sheep, Blue Sheep. Got a closer look at the bearings. Very nice. It's like smooth. It goes. Okay, guys. So let's give it a spin. The problem with this one is unbalanced, so it's kind of bumpy. But also I heard that the churro spinners are, when you spin them like this, like it's like wobbles. It like stops too. So I gotta say that the quality of this is pretty low. I think they could have made it better, but you know, it looks cool though. Gotta admit that. So yeah, I can tell you a story about this. So the thing is, like with this fidget spinner, it actually cost $10, but I bought it for $8 from SellExpress from Broadway Mall. It was really cheap, $8. It was actually supposed to be $10, but he said it was gonna be $8. But the thing it is, when we went to buy it, I remember he said $8. Okay, and he's like okay. So I went to my sister. I was gonna have $8, but then she gave me a $20 bill. So I walked up and gave him the $20 bill. He gave me $10 change. $10 change. So we had a big argument that I said $8, and I was right. Okay, he was wrong. So thing is, yeah, my sister also heard him say $8. So he's like, sorry, but I never said $8. But here's $2 back. We're never going back to SellExpress again. So many other better stores we can buy fidget spinners from. Calling you out, SellExpress. Calling you out. What you gonna do? Okay, just gonna look at the view this side. You can actually get this on Amazon for $2. Cheaper. Amazon Prime for $4. Shipping is $2. So you know. Bye.